Hi guys, today we are going to continue discuss about the sounds. And on this video, we are going to talk about the characteristics of the sounds. We hear all kinds of sounds every day, like people talking, cars hooking, music playing, or machine running. Usually, we call the sounds that are regular, present, and enjoyable to her music, and the sounds that are harsh and annoying, noisy. So that makes a sound present or unpresent. That depends on the three basic characteristics of the sounds: pitch, loudness, and timbre. First, we talk about the pitch. Pitch refers to how high or low a sound is. It is determined by the frequency of the vibration. The higher the frequency, the higher the pitch. For example, bird songs are higher pitched, while drums produce low pitch sounds. And second is the loudness. Loudness is how strong or weak a sound feels. It depends on the amplitude of vibration. Greater amplitude means louder sounds, and smaller amplitude means soft sounds. Okay, and the last one, timbre. Timbre helps us tell sounds apart. Even if two instruments plays the same note at the same loudness, like the violin or piano, they still sounds different because their timbres are different. And these the three things. Uh, there's the three characteristics of the sounds. Now, let's know how do these apply in real life. Pitch help us sense emotions in speech. Loudness allows us just distance or danger. Timbre helps us identify the voices or instrument. These sounds figures are widely used in music, speech technology, and even medicine. Sounds have three key characteristics: pitch, loudness, and timbre. Um, they make sounds rich and meaningful, and help us better understand the world of sounds. Okay, those are all the things of this video. Thank you for listening.